How long does affiliate marketing take? What a weird question, but this question seems to be oddly popular on YouTube. Now, affiliate marketing takes as long as, actually, it only takes about 5 seconds. It takes as long as it takes to post a link. A link is just when you go to a website, you type in google.com. Now, affiliate marketing is nothing more than a link. It's when you go, the easiest example of affiliate marketing is you can sign up for Amazon's affiliate program. And when you sign up for Amazon's affiliate program, all you'll have to do is do amazon.com, and then you do $REF, meaning referral, that means you're the referrer, equals, and then your name. So you just do $REF equals John Crestani, or whatever my referral identification is, my affiliate identification. So all it takes is a couple extra seconds to type in whatever your referral ID is, or your affiliate ID. So that's all affiliate marketing is. It doesn't take any time. Now, some derivatives of this question might be, how long does it take to get my site ranked on Google? Or how long does it take to get good at it? Or how long does affiliate marketing take to really master it? And to master any subject, generally takes a while. It took me years. It took me many years to get good at affiliate marketing before I was making significant amounts of money that I was very proud of. But it may take you no time. It all depends on the individual and their willingness to learn, their moldability, their willingness to learn, their openness to receiving new ideas and new thoughts, and the amount of time they can commit to something, just like any profession, engineering, doctoring, etc. So, hope that clears things up. If you want more clarification on this question, or if this didn't totally make sense, leave a note in the comments.